Hi, I'd like to show you how to make palm drills. So palm drills are used all the time in forest school and in sort of outdoor based activities. And sometimes it's really hard to find them and to know actually how to make them. So you can see already that from these there are different sizes. Some are thinner handles, some are thicker handles, some have thicker drill pieces, some have thinner drill pieces, and today I'm going to make a thinner one because actually I'm working with some teenagers and I want to make more refined holes. But if I was in the early years, I might actually make an even bigger handle than this so that the little hands can actually grip them. So what do I need to do? Well, I need to think about the wood that I need, and I'm going to choose today to use holly. So this lovely holly has been cut down, and I'm using holly because it's quite a strong wood and the grain is quite fine, and I might also use apple, for example, but there are other woods you can try. I always say experiment with that. So I've cut myself a piece of wood about so long, and I've got myself a vise. I think at the end of the day using a vise for this is easy. So this isn't your average thing that you're doing with children, but I've got my vise and I've got my drill. So I've chosen the size of the palm drill I want, and this is a 3mm wood drill piece, and I've put it into the drill and secured the vise, and then I'm just going to drill down into this piece of holly all the way down. Lovely, and it's actually wet because it's green. Now actually what I could do is, without using any glue whatsoever, because it's green, I can put my drill piece in to the same hole, and I'm going to do that in a minute, and I'm going to push it down. Now because it's green, it's going to dry, and as it dries it's going to grip this drill piece, and there I have a palm drill. Isn't that simple? If I want to be doubly sure, which I'm not going to show you today, I recommend getting epoxy resin, which is water resistant, and make a little mixture as you do, pop it in the hole and put your drill piece in, and that way you have your palm drill. So I'm not going to do that today though. So here I go, I pop my drill piece in, push it down. Oh, it's lovely actually. Undo my palm drill. And there I have a prototype palm drill. Now you see I've already taken my knife to the end just to round it off a little bit at the end, and actually I might spend a bit more time designing it as well. So I hope that is helpful, making your own palm drills.